Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is number 2 of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. The second tip I'm going to share with you is how to look at 2 sheets in the same workbook at the same time. Say you have data on 2 different sheets that you're trying to compare. Instead of switching back and forth between tabs, it would be so much easier if you could see them both at the same time, right? Luckily, there's a quick solution for this. First, on your View tab on the ribbon, under the Window group, you'll see a button that says New Window. Just click that button and Excel will open a duplicate window. It's the same document with the same tabs and everything, but now you can view both tabs side by side easily. That means no more switching back and forth when referencing or copying data. And to go back to just one window, simply close either of the windows. Work smarter, not harder. Am I right? If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted. Bye!